don't buy the iPhone 14. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Well, since we're started getting a lot of news about the iPhone 14 and it is probably the right time to talk about it, even though we are disappointed by Apple as they are doing this with the iPhone 14. Apple is going to launch iPhone 14 lineup in September this year, but sad news that Apple is thinking of price jump. And if so, base model is still sticking with the old specifications since 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max are going to get new features and big updates. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max, which one you are going to get this year. Now Apple is going to increase the price on all models, and yes, no mini model this time. So iPhone 14 base model starting at $799, 14 Max at $899, 14 Pro at $1,099 and 14 Pro Max $1,199. And yes, if we see 2TB version of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then it could cost up to $2,000. Now the only reason that I'm concerned that Apple is not going to change internals in the iPhone 14. Rumors are saying that Apple will stick with the A15 Bionic chipset that they used in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and no new display, still have a notch. And yes, no 48 megapixel new lens. All the new display and design features are going to be in Max models. Base model will stick with the base features. Now the rumors are also saying that the Apple may rebrand the A15 Bionic chip to A16, and 14 Pro and Pro Max will come with 16 Pro chipset, which eventually an official A16. Things will get clear with the time, but these things will really disappoint the Apple user. Since we all know Apple is not putting the charger in the box, we may see an additional 2-port USB charger from Apple, which will not going to be cheaper. And this could indicate we may see a bit faster charging in the iPhone 14 compared to the iPhone 13. And if you're really thinking on updating to next generation iPhone, I think you need to go with the Pro models. Say no to iPhone 14 because you only get $200 difference, but you are going to get 48 megapixel new lens, new display with no notch, new chipset. These things matter the most. So think about this as we are getting towards the launch. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Which one you are going to get this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.